In a small, sun-drenched town nestled between sleepy hills and slow-moving rivers, there lived a young man named Ravi. Ravi was well known in his neighborhood, not for his accomplishments, but for his dreams. He would often sit on his rooftop in the evening, staring at the stars, telling anyone who'd listen about his big plans.
I'm going to be a millionaire. I'll have a tech company, write a best-selling novel, and maybe even build an eco-friendly car.
His friends would nod, amused.
That's great, Ravi. So what are you working on right now?
Working? You can't rush genius. I'm still brainstorming.
In truth, Ravi spent most of his time on his couch, scrolling through social media, watching interviews of successful people, and reading self-help books, but never putting any of it into action. Days turned into months, months into years. One by one, his friends started moving forward with their lives, starting businesses, finishing degrees, learning skills. Ravi, meanwhile, still had the same dreams, but now with added frustration.
Why am I not successful yet?
He grumbled one day to his grandfather, who was pruning the garden with slow, patient hands. His grandfather chuckled.
Let me tell you a story. There was once a farmer who wanted the best crops in the village. He dreamed of golden fields and heavy harvests, but he never planted a single seed. He just sat on his porch, waiting for rain.
That's a silly farmer.
Exactly. And dreaming without doing is just as silly.
That night, the words lingered in Ravi's mind. For the first time, he admitted something hard to himself. I'm ambitious, but I'm lazy. He wanted success, but he hadn't earned it. Wanting something badly doesn't mean it'll come. Effort is the bridge between desire and achievement. The next morning, he did something different. He didn't open his phone. He opened his laptop and started. He wrote one paragraph for the novel he'd been talking about for years. The next day, he wrote two. A week later, he was writing every morning. It wasn't perfect, it wasn't fast, but it was real work. 6 months later, Ravi had a finished first draft. Not a bestseller yet, but something much more important. Proof that he could turn a dream into something solid. Moral of the story. Ambition without action is just a fantasy. Dreams are free, but success is earned. One small step, one focused effort at a time.